What's the meaning of bookie? Bookie. Bookie.
Bookie. Bookie. The term bookie is a slang term that refers to a person or organization that takes bets on various events, often sporting events. A bookie typically sets the odds for each event and accepts wagers from individuals looking to place bets. Bookies are often involved in illegal gambling activities and can face legal consequences if caught. The use of bookies has decreased in recent years due to the legalization of sports betting in some areas and the rise of online sportsbooks. Despite this, bookies still exist in many places and remain a popular option for some individuals looking to place bets on their favorite sports teams.